Hello guys, my name is Abishi Taylor. Welcome to my channel. I have generated multiple crores in sales in YouTube automation, Shopify dropshipping and e-commerce. So guys, today we will talk about types of loan which you should avoid in your early 20s. So guys, there are basically two types of loan, secured loan and unsecured loan. So basically secured loan is provided against a security. For example, if you want a home, they give you home loan. If you want a car, the bank give you car loan. If you want a property, they give you loan against property loan. Just like that, working capital, gold loan, silver loan. So there are basically many types of secured loan which actually have low interest rate, low risk and higher approval chances. So the next type of loan is unsecured loan, which is against your income. For example, if you are getting a salary on the 30th of the month, so the bank knows that you are unable to pay your EMI, they will deduct from your salary. So this type of unsecured loan is always a high risk, because if you are using credit cards and you don't pay your debts, the bank can basically do nothing, and it also has a high interest and low approval rates. So now we are talking about types of secured loans. So home loan. So basically everyone need a house. House is more likely a emotional thing more than a need, because you can live on rent also and save the money. For example, people buy home loan, people do take home loan of crore rupees and they pay EMI like 50,000, 60,000 per month. So their life is just like attached to that single particular house, and they can't move to different places. If they even earn something more, so they have to pay the interest, they have to pay the EMI for 20 years. Man, this is so long. For 20 years, imagine you are paying the same debt. So never take a home loan, because I know for some people it's a like emotional pleasure, like they want to be in their own home, they don't want to listen to landlord and those arguments between landlord and you. So I basically understand that home loan everybody wants. So but you should definitely avoid unless and until if you are able to buy home on cash. So the next type of loan is gold loan. Guys, we are living in India. The family females have a lot of gold in their hands, and they can go to the bank and ask for gold loan by securing that piece of gold. For example, bracelets, chains and mangal sutras, and they can take the gold loan. So the next type of loan is car loan. So guys, everybody wants an SUV in India. This is typically most demanded, that hey, my family needs a SUV, I need a car. So the bank provide you car loan at very low interest rate because of the demands. And 95% of the vehicles which are now getting delivered in 2024, they are on loan. So guys, 95, this is the biggest ratio, because everybody loves EMI. They take the loan, and some people do default also. So if you do the default, for example, 1 month you don't pay the car loan, it's okay, it's fine. For example, second month you don't pay the car loan, that's also fine. Third month, if you don't pay, bank will give you the notice, and the fourth month they will finally come to your house and take the car away. So guys, be careful when you take a car loan. Always take the loan if you can afford to pay. So the next type of loan is loan against property. For example, if you have a house, if you have some kind of land, you can take a loan against property with that. So government usually gives you 80% of the rate, whatever your asset is, and the rest 20% is taken by the government. So you can take the 80%. For example, if your land costs 1 crore rupees, you can take 80 lakhs rupees of loan against the property and use it like in different businesses and use it to more grow. So the next is working capital loan. If you have a big business, so obviously you need the cash flow to get the things going. You need to pay the salary, you need to pay the workforce, you need to pay for the machines, the equipments, the raw materials and so on. So you need working capital loans. So guys, now we move to the unsecured loan, which is basically low approval interest, which is basically a high risk type of income which is given against your income. So guys, we are moving against unsecured type of loans, which is basically against your income. You are getting a salary and you are planning to take a loan with that. So basically, when you ask bank to give you unsecured loan, they will ask your 3 months salary slip or maybe 6 months salary slip, and they will basically provide you loan against that thing. So there are many types of unsecured loan. For example, personal loan. Personal loan usually is the best loan on the planet because it has very low interest rate. If you are getting salary credited every 30, every 15, you can take a personal loan of like 6 to 7%. It's not that expensive. The second is business loan. You are running a business, obviously you need money for the cash flow. You are giving your ITR, you are giving your GST details to government, and you are asking for loan. So guys, the next type of loan we are talking about is education loan. You know, education is very important in this today's world. You know the features of AI, you should know the features of coding, you should know the how to run programs, and you know education is the most important thing, and you should take an education loan, which is very good for your kids, for your children. It's very good for the future. This loan I really highly recommend. If you don't have the money, that's fine. You should invest in education. For example, buying a courses. You can learn from them and increase your opportunities, increase your chances, increase your skills in order to get a high paying jobs, or maybe a business, or you can do something else from the education thing, because education is very important and you should be really updated for the education things. So now the next type of unsecured loan is credit cards. Guys, everybody loves credit card. You know, you like to spend it somewhere, you like to pay for your food, you like to pay for the groceries, but it's very really dangerous if you don't pay on time. Credit cards are the best human friend, just like your dog, and the worst enemy. So guys, it can like bite like a snake also for the credit cards, I'm saying. So if you are not paying on debt, like if you are not paying your credit dues on time, they will decrease your credit score and increase the possibilities of not getting the loan. So guys, always use your credit card very wisely. So there are types of many credit cards. For example, you can use SBI Simply Save cards in order, if you are a teenager, if you are just like above 20, so you can use those type of cards in order to improve your credit score. So now the next is travel loans. Everybody loves to travel to the different places, but I don't recommend this type of loans. You know, just for the 7 days, just for the 10 days Dubai trip, you won't like to spend 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs rupees, and which you have to pay in future, and that will carry on with the EMI dues also, with the high interest rate also. So never take a travel loan. Just avoid, simply stay at home if you don't have the money. So now the next is medical loans. Guys, everybody knows that if you get a sudden heart attack, what will you will do? You don't have the money, you have to take medical loan. This is not like taking, it's kind of emergency loan. Sometimes in life we do have medical health issues, and which we don't know when is about to come. So for this case, I recommended using health insurance. For example, if you are just for the 30s age, you should consider buying a personal insurance for the health insurance, also life insurance, because if you, God knows when you going to die, but if you die, your kids and children will be safe. For example, if I die, my kids will get like 50 crore rupees. So now we are going to for the conclusion. So guys, always avoid home loan, always avoid gold loan, always avoid car loan, no loan against property. You can use working capital loan, which is really good for your business, and take personal loan if you are really needed for paying something like your expenses. Use personal loan, which is good. Take business loan, take education loan, which is highly recommend. Use your credit card wisely. Don't take travel loan. And for the rarest case, just buy an insurance for the medical type of loans. So guys, this is our today's video for the types of loan, and hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I have generated multiple crores in sales from the YouTube automation business. So guys, if you are needing a YouTube monetized channel also, please let us know in the comments below. You can check the youtubeexchange.com and buy those channels. So thank you so much for watching.